What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Digo coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the Jordan 3 Manieres. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out so much. I try to post a ton of different content, Nike Lab, Nike Tech, try to get you guys shoes as well. Today we're going to be going over the Jordan 3 Manieres, and here they are. And these I got at a local sneaker shop. I really thought I was going to like these more, but I wore them like last night, tried them, kind of looking at the details of the shoe just in general, and I don't know, I don't think this is a shoe that I need to keep. I thought it was something that was like, oh, this was necessary. I saw the picture, it looks super dope. The colorway, I like that it has the brown, it has the white, and I like the cream laces. But I wish the laces were better quality. They have work harder on the ends, work on one and then harder on the other, which is kind of cool. But the laces just seem kind of like cheap to me. It's like these are all kind of messed up, if you guys can see. I wish they would have thrown something like they did on the Travis's. They have like a wax lace. As you guys can see, I wear my Travis's a lot. And that's also another thing with these, is I'm just someone that wears a lot of ones, and if not, I'm wearing like some TNs, or I'll wear like some Joyrides, something comfortable. I'm not really into having a bunch of Jordans anymore. Not like other Jordans. Like I like the 11s, I like having some 4s, but I'm more into comfort, and I feel like Jordan 1s are really comfortable for me. I would probably eventually try to get more, but as of right now, I'm really just into comfort shoes, or like Jordan 1s, and really the lows. I've been picking up a ton of lows. But looking more, I guess you say, into the details of this shoe, you have a nice suede, feels pretty good, nothing like crazy quality. The leather seems pretty nice. Like I said, these are worn, so these have wear, so you can see like the crease, but these are rocked with a crease shield. And then, like I said, these tan laces, then you come with white laces as well, which the white laces I didn't personally like. I think the tan looks a lot better. On this one, you have the Maniere on the tongue, which looks super good, and they have it stitched in, I guess embroidered, which looks really good. And then you can see that you have like the tan lace tabs right here. And that's really nice. And then they also did it right here, which looks really good. The quilted pattern on the inside, I think, looks super nice. I'm not probably the craziest on it, but I think it looks super nice, and it feels kind of different on your foot. And you also have it on your tongue as well. The suede all over the shoe, I think, gives it like a nice look and makes it feel like a little more premium. But I don't feel like the quality on these is super insane. I'm gonna show you guys kind of the bottom too. You guys can see it's typical Jordan 3. They threw brown on there, which I think looked good. And then they also, have the brown and the tan right here, paint, and then they have the brown above it. And then the smoked out Nike Air. It's like yellowed, which I think looks really good, the pull tab. These shoes are pretty nice. I think it was a good cop. It's crazy, these are women's exclusive, and I got a size 13 men's, so this is a 14.5 women's, which is pretty big, I would say. And I know they probably didn't make too many pairs of these, so it's cool to get my hands on them. I definitely think it's a good cop. It's just something that I feel like I don't really need. Like it's not something that's probably gonna stay in my closet that long. I'm sure something's gonna come up, my bro's gonna offer me or something, and I'll probably trade them. Maybe I'll get it back later on, but Jordan 3 sometimes just fit a little wide. And this one, I don't know if it's because it's women's size or what, but it feels like super big, but it fits my foot. It just feels like super wide, and I don't know, I'm not really a big fan of that. Also, another thing, which I guess I can kind of grab up here, is the boxes. All right, now that I got it, it's the box itself. I think the box is pretty cool. I like when they put like a sleeve for it, and then they're locked in on the sides. You pull it off. You see it's got Jordan Flight right here. Here we go. Right there. You open up. See, it's got a receipt. Here you go for the white laces right here. The white laces, they're not like a straight bright white, they're kind of more of a cream. But those ones on them right now are really cream. So you can get those out the way. And then you have like a tag, Maniere on there. I'm guessing this came with it. It's actually like, it's like a little tab. Looks like you cut it. And that's a bag for your laces. And also, just some Maniere paper. Nothing really too crazy on the box. Just kind of stamped the name on it a little bit through like subtle details. The box isn't anything to go crazy over. Definitely is cool for the sleeve, but other than that, it's just kind of standard. It's definitely cool to grab these shoes, you know, and get them and add them to the collection. Let me know kind of what you guys think. I will get you guys to try on at the end of the video. Were these a must cop for you? Was this one of the better releases for you guys of 2021? I know it came out a little bit ago, and I know people were flipping out and thought it was really insane. But personally, I would rather the Frag 3s over this. This is just something that I think it is a little hard to rock with the tan laces and everything. I mean, you can definitely pull it off. Like, it's not impossible, but I think the white and black on the Frags was just something you can wear with like anything. And I just think it was a cooler shoe. I'm a big fan of Fragment. I actually missed my Fragment ones. And hopefully I'll get a video for you guys of me getting, you know, another pair. I'm sure I'll get it. A lot of shoes I sell and then a lot of shoes that come back to me. So something definitely to look forward to. I hope you guys, like I said, really enjoy. Make sure you guys check out my other content. I post a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. And I'll also get you guys heat unboxings and do little shoe reviews. My channel is kind of focused around clothes, but you know, when you have Nike clothes, then you're gonna have Nike shoes. So I'm gonna definitely bring you guys like Jordan videos or, you know, other Nike stuff. So I hope you guys really enjoy, like I said, and I'm out.